Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, That Brown Curvy Girl. My name is Shalini and I'm back again with another video to do with Nykaa haul part 2. So I wanted to share the pending products with you guys. It's a Sunday again, and yeah, so I just wanted to share the cord set that I got from Ajio. This was like around for 500 and really comfortable cotton, and yeah, so just wanted to show that. That's why I went ahead with an introduction like that. So yeah, so I've been using this lip balm from Lineage and it's really good. I've like become obsessed with it. I have it in my handbag when I go to office. I have one in the car and one at home. So yeah, the trio set that I got is really great. So if you want to invest in lip balms, you must try this. And yeah, so I got 2 boxes from Nykaa. The one is the Nykaa Luxe, so I've already, as you see, I've already unboxed. And then another, the normal usual package. So in the Luxe package I got these lip contour duo from Huda Beauty. They are in the shade Yummy Browns, which has got warm brown and rich brown. These are the minis that I got on sale for around 950 rupees, and I think the single pencil full size is priced at about 1650. That's quite high for a lip pencil. And yeah, this is how it is. I'm wearing the rich brown right now, and I've tried it with the lip blush from Huda Beauty. The lip blush, I've worn it like 2 to 3 times last week, and again it is transfer proof. You need to let it dry. It stays once you eat something, it does wear off a bit, but unlike any other product of say a Maybelline or those high-end ones like Lakme, priced on a similar range, that state that they are waterproof and smudge proof. I've seen that they wear off from the center, but that did not happen with this. It did not make it odd that I need to reapply, just the shade went a bit lighter. So yeah, so this is also something really nice. And if I would definitely say that these are really high priced, and the Mars or the Swiss Beauty the palette or the package of the entire 12 lip pencils are priced at around 600, and in sale you can get it for around 500 as well. So they do also the similar kind of work. But since I wanted to have a collection, so I went ahead and shopped for these, and they were really priced well. Even without the sale, they are priced at around 1200. So during the sale I got it for 950, so I went ahead and invested on these. So yeah, for a collection they are really good. So that's the high-end product. And then coming to the other package from Nykaa. So as I had said in my previous video that I got the free case, airport case, because I purchased products from K Beauty, and that arrived in my previous package, but the products that I actually purchased were not part of that package. So here are the ones I got. Matte compact. It says enriched with avocado and mango butter. So this is in the shade 130N medium. And then I got their 24 hours long lasting transfer proof smudge proof kajal. So I think there was a Twitter or X user who had shared a comment, and even the founder of K Beauty, Miss Katrina Kaif, had commented on that whatever happens in the rain, everything wears off, but the kajal didn't, and that post went viral. So I really wanted to try it. So I went ahead. This was priced around 200, which is really good because I usually go ahead with faces. So yeah, so this is how the pencil is. So I'm excited to use this and see whether it is actually smudge proof. So I'll do a test on that. Then this is how the packaging for the compact looks like. The packaging is good. It is a bit of premium, and yeah, this is really nice. Not sure if you're able to see, but this is also kind of a luxe packaging. um, yeah, so that is how it is. This is the shade, this is how it looks. So yes, so this is another product, and there are a few more products, so I'll just quickly share those with you. So I have been using the Vaseline Glutahydra Radiance serum plus lotion, serum and lotion, and I've used this, like this is my third tube that I've purchased, and this is really good. It works on my skin really well, stays throughout the day. It just, you know, absorbs into the skin, and it is non-sticky, non-greasy, and since I am a patient of hypothyroid, my skin goes dry pretty often, and for that this is the one that does a great job, because any other lotion, it kind of seems sticky, oily, but this does not. So I wanted to restock on this, and since they were running an offer, so I also went ahead and shopped for this one because I wanted to try this one. So this is an overnight radiance, and this is a dewy radiance, and yeah, so I just wanted to try this as well. And these stay for, like, this whole tube can go up to you know, on daily usage, this can go up to 3 months. So I've been using it for more than a year now, and so yeah, I got this both on a you know, sort of a combo deal from Nykaa for about around 400 odd. So that is something really nice. I've used it, and a big thumbs up. These are products you should be having, and they really work. Since it's winters, this is something that will really work. And then the other products that I got, yes, so I missed this. I got this illuminating primer drop. So K Beauty was running an offer that if you shop for something above 1200, then you would get the airport case. So though I did not shop on that with that intention, but yes, I just wanted to you know, try the products of K Beauty, because I already have their foundation and it really is good. So this is their illuminating primer drops enriched with hyaluronic acid. It's in the shade champagne shimmy, and this is how it is. The box also has this tube which is great for the price. So this is originally priced at 999, but they were running a 40% discount, so I went ahead with that. And yeah, I will use it and then share my comments on this. Yes, so that is that. So this was all about the second package that I received from Nykaa, majorly to do with K Beauty. And with that, I also got the Mars lip crayon. So I have another shade which is little bit of maroon, so I wanted to try this. I am powerful in 08. They are really long lasting, and for everyday use they are really affordable, and Mars is already doing a great job. And I wanted to also try their lip drip, but somehow almost on every social media platform it's sold out. I can't find it anywhere. I even tried it on Blinkit, Zepto. I really wanted to try it. It has gone viral, but I wanted to see how it is. I just wanted to try one of the shades. So yes, coming back to this product from Mars, this is how the packaging is. The crayon is good. The packaging is really good for the price. These are products, you know, they are all below 500. This one is, I think, around 299, and for that it's really good. So this is the shade. if you guys can see, this is more of a red shade, not red, sorry, it is more of a pink shade, magenta sort of, and it is definitely brown girl friendly, brown skin friendly, and yeah, this is one of the shade you should be having in your collection if you like bold lipsticks. I love bold as well as medium shades to do with light shades. I have all kind of shades when it comes to lipsticks for brown girl. And yes, so that's all for this video, and I hope you really like what I'm sharing. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping for some comments, and I will also be sharing my reviews on these products after using them. And yes, I have shopped for a luxury product, and I'm waiting for that one to come. That is really high priced, and that I will be unboxing sometime later next week, again from Nykaa. I'm really excited for that. Yeah, so that's it for today. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.